Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy, where we help you grow your business using the latest tools and strategies. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to use ChatGPT in business development. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is transforming how businesses operate by helping with tasks like market research, communication, and much more. Let's explore how ChatGPT can elevate your business, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up. Section 1. Understanding your market. Knowing your market is the foundation of any successful business development strategy, and this is where ChatGPT shines. You can use it to conduct market research, identify trends, and even analyze your competitors. For example, if you're in the renewable energy sector, you can ask ChatGPT questions like, what are the current trends in the renewable energy industry? Or who are the top competitors in online education platforms? This gives you quick, data-driven insights to guide your strategy. Section 2. Enhancing communication. Whether you're sending emails to clients or partners, having clear professional messages is key. ChatGPT can help you draft emails for outreach, collaboration, or even follow-ups. Let's say you need to send a thank you note after a networking event. Just type in, write a thank you email after a networking event, and ChatGPT will generate a polished draft. You can even use it to fine-tune your sales pitches by asking, how can I tailor my pitch for a tech-savvy audience? This saves time and ensures your communication is always on point. Section 3. Content creation and marketing. Content is essential for brand visibility and customer engagement. With ChatGPT, you can brainstorm innovative marketing campaigns or create social media posts. For instance, you could ask, what are some creative marketing strategies for my business? And ChatGPT will give you fresh ideas to work with. You can also generate content for your social media platforms. Whether it's Instagram captions or LinkedIn posts, ChatGPT has you covered. It's a great way to keep your content engaging without spending hours brainstorming. Section 4. Data analysis and insights. Let's not forget about data. ChatGPT can help analyze customer feedback and survey results. You can ask it to summarize the key points from feedback or highlight emerging trends. For example, what are the common themes in my customer feedback? ChatGPT will break it down for you, helping you make better decisions based on real data. Section 5. Streamlining operations. ChatGPT can automate routine tasks like scheduling or drafting standard operating procedures. Just type in, create a standard operating procedure for client onboarding, and ChatGPT will handle it for you. This lets you and your team focus on more strategic work while keeping your operations running smoothly. So there you have it. ChatGPT offers businesses a powerful tool to enhance operations. From understanding your market to streamlining tasks, it helps with market research by providing quick insights on industry trends and competitors. It also improves communication by drafting professional emails and refining sales pitches. In content creation, ChatGPT assists in generating fresh ideas and engaging social media posts. Moreover, it helps analyze customer feedback to make data-driven decisions. Finally, ChatGPT automates routine tasks, freeing up time for more strategic work, making it a valuable asset for business development at any stage. Have you tried using ChatGPT in your business yet? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from TrueHost Academy. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring the power of AI in business, and let's grow together.